Welcome back, everyone. This is quite an exciting segment for Mani and myself,
Yes.
and all the makeup enthusiasts out there, as well as for skincare, which is not solely gender-based, right? Skincare is important for everyone.
Everyone.
Yes, very much
Absolutely.
so. And joining us today, we have the Jaffrey sisters, Noor and Sayeda. Welcome to the show.
Welcome to the show. So I have like a million questions already prepared for you and ready for you. So I just want to start off with simple skincare. And for my question, I'm going to start off with teenagers. So can I just kick off with that? What tips can you, and I know that we talk always about women for females, as Fariha mentioned that it's not just the gender-based, and we always speak, and whenever you go on the YouTube, there's so many
There's a wealth of
products, wealth of information about females, right? And there's how to apply the products, how to apply the makeup, how to apply, and I'm sure we'll be talking definitely about that, and that's predominantly our audiences would be interested too.
For sure.
So tell us, or give me at least the tips for the skincare, because as we age, that's one thing which is very, very important. If your skin is not cooperating with you, nothing will go good on it, right? Okay, so who wants to go first?
That's true, because your skincare is basically the foundation for when you start to apply the makeup. And you mentioned teenagers. Teenagers really need to start taking care of their skin, especially when you're 19, 20, young, and that helps keep your skin looking young.
Yes.
And I did not care about my skin until literally this year. I'm 21. I'm 21 now. Yeah, because I noticed I was having some wrinkles on my forehead, and I got really scared. I was so scared, and then I did not take care of my skin at all. Luckily, I have pretty good skin. I don't break out much, but I used to go to sleep in my makeup, and I wear a lot on my face, so it was not good, and it was really I could feel it starting to catch up with me. So yeah, your skin is very important, and you should take a lot of good care of it. Exfoliate, moisturize. I have a whole routine that I have every night and morning before I put on my makeup, and then when I take it off.
So what is your routine, Noor?
So at nighttime when I take off my makeup, I use this micellar water, which is also something new I learned about. It's really cool because you take a cotton pad and then it just takes off all your makeup, even waterproof, and then that's it. And then it totally cleans your skin, so I don't
And it's just a water?
It's just it's a special type of water. You can get it at Shoppers, at Sephora, even wherever they sell skincare things. And yeah, I just take it all off. I don't have to go to the washroom because I don't like getting up.
It's convenient.
It's right
keep
beside,
it by the bed.
I keep it right beside my bed. I just take it off there. And then after that,
Tone.
yes, I tone my skin. So a good thing to remember is CTM, cleanse, tone, moisturize.
Okay.
So that's what I go by. Yeah,
That's
so
the acronym.
It is, yes, CTM.
CTM.
Yeah, so then I tone my skin, and then after that I add some extra things. I use a serum for keeping your skin looking young, and I use an eye cream because it's very important. Your eyes are the first signs of aging occurs right under your eyes. So I use that, and then after I set it all with moisturizer. And a good thing also is to use masks once a week for deep exfoliation to really get the dead skin off of your face. So I love doing those. So nice and refreshing. And they have so many different types of masks depending on your skin. I have very dry skin, so I get hydrating stuff. She, on the other hand, very oily
skin.
Yeah, also, you need to be careful that when you get stuff for your skin, you get it for your skin type. Because I did not know this. I would buy mattifying things, and I already have dry skin, and I would wonder why I'm getting flaky, patchy. It was so bad. And only now I've realized I can't be using mattifying things because it's not good. Or if I do, then I need to moisturize beforehand, or pair it with something that's that has more hydration or moisturization.
So a lot of the knowledge which you're sharing with us today is from personal experience.
Yeah, personal experience. YouTube, Instagram, that's helped so much. Following other different people.
And people can follow you now as well on Instagram as well.
Jaffrey
and what is your
Sisters.
page?
The Jaffrey sisters.
The Jaffrey sisters.
Jaffrey sisters.
Very good. So you started off saying that you have to pay so much attention to your skin at even 19, 20. Don't we think that, you can get away with so much
exactly,
at that age?
to be honest, and that's what I'm realizing now at this age, and
it catches up.
That exactly, it does catches up. And at that time, in all honesty, at that time, we didn't have that kind of makeups, I didn't have that access to that kind of makeup. And I didn't wear any makeup. I think that was great, at least, I had that great, I should say, I would consider it, a lack of a better word, that it worked in my favor, that we didn't wear makeup. I didn't wear makeup, so just recently started wearing makeup in the last few years. Exactly, so there was nothing to worry about. Yeah, you just put the, like moisturizer cream, and that's it. But now, since it seems like it has become a norm, even girls, even like 13, 14-year-old, I see, schools are a little bit lenient about that. So it's like, the girls are starting to wear makeup, and it's becoming norm. So as much as, we are supporting in that, and with the natural looks and with the makeup looks and all kind of, different looks that those are in, also skincare has become very important, that it has its disadvantages too.
So as I shared with all of you that I had my face done by these lovely ladies, and it was quite a regimen that they started off with my face. So for myself, it's like, okay, moisturizer and that's it. But they're like, no, 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 no. First of all, you have to clean it, and because I had just come out of the shower, and then it's like, then you have to tone it, right? And then they gave me like eye cream and serum. So tell me a bit about the serum, Noor.
So serum, basically like, the one that I have, it just helps keeps your skin like hydrated, as well as like it stops you from forming wrinkles. Like that's the main point. So it helps keep your skin like nice and firm.
Supple?
And, yeah. It's just you don't need to have a serum, but it's like if you want to keep your skin looking good,
yes,
I recommend using a serum before you moisturize.
And Sayeda, you were saying that your skin is very oily, and I have very oily skin as well. So what are some tips that you have for us?
Well, first you don't use, you have to use the oil-free moisturizer, because I always used non-oil-free moisturizer, and then I had what's it called? Lots of shyness and lots of separation with my foundation and everything.
Okay.
And set everything with powder, lots of powder, and then setting spray as well.
All right. So the tips that you're providing is get everything oil-free, set it with, or mattified, set it with powder, and then you have a setting spray on top. Yeah. All right, excellent. Well, these have been some incredible tips, and we will be hearing more from the Jaffrey sisters when we return from our break.